There are two 15mm nuts on each side. This is the driver's side, and then we'll go ahead and do the passenger side, but go ahead and remove both of these. So the last four pieces of hardware that hold this bumper on are actually inside of the frame rails here. There are four nuts, two on each side. Again, this is the driver's side. We'll do the same to both, but with a 15mm socket. I'm going to go ahead and take these out. All right, there's one at the top, and then there's one at the bottom, which is going to be harder to see, but it's there. Just feel for it. Now with everything unbolted, the bumper is free to come off, so I'm going to grab it on this side, remove it off of the frame. Be careful because it is somewhat heavy, and pull it away. Now you can take your new bumper, and before you put it in, just make sure that these side brackets are facing the right way. So the scoop here is supposed to be facing towards these studs on the inside. If it's facing the opposite way, it's backwards. Line it up with the frame and slide the studs in. There we go. So now I'm going to support the bumper, and I have these new washers and nuts that can go on these studs here that mount it to the frame. I'm going to go ahead and start these on. There's one, and now with this one connected, I'm not worried about the bumper going anywhere. Let's snug these up. These new nuts are 17mm in size. So to attach these bumper brackets to the frame here, you're going to have to either reuse the original studs, which are like a little bracket type stud, or you can get some bolts. I had these laying around. I wasn't able to reuse all of my studs, so I found some bolts, but I will reuse the original nuts. So match the threads up, and then we'll thread all of these on and make sure that they are nice and tight. Okay, that's good. Do the same to the other side. One last thing that we need to tighten is these top nuts here that hold this bracket onto the bumper. So these are 18mm sockets. Perfect.